Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the core principles of our credit repair company. It's here to help clients legally improve their credit profile by disputing inaccurate, unverifiable, or incorrect items on their credit report. This is grounded in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA, which gives consumers the right to dispute and correct errors. How does it work over here at Credit Mix? We analyze the credit reports from all three credit bureaus, from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But I also recommend that you use annualcreditreport.com. They have a letter. They have a form. At Credit Mix, we use all the proper forms. That's how we're able to get such great results. So you can go to annualcreditreport.com and get the form yourself. I'm not really good at leaving links and making PDFs, but I'll try to make a PDF for you guys and leave it somewhere on the channel. So we identify the negative or questionable items on a client's credit report. We draft and send dispute letters to bureaus and creditors. We monitor responses, and then we get back what's called letters. They're either going to respond. We get back what's called responses. They're either going to respond unverified, or inaccurate items must be corrected or removed. We also provide ongoing education and mindset training. We teach our clients how to build their credit profile as well through ways and strategies that we have in Credit Mix, things of that nature. The value to the clients that we bring. We have expertise in credit laws and dispute process workers on our team, which saves clients time and effort. We bring value to our clients by providing strategies that rebuild credit. Number 4, ethical and compliance principles. We must abide by a certain set of laws, which is called CROA. That's the Credit Repair Organization Act. All credit repair companies must abide by CROA. No credit repair company is allowed to charge upfront fees before services are performed. No false promises or illegal methods. We provide clear contracts and cancellation rights at Credit Mix. In essence, a credit repair company ensures a client's credit history is fair, accurate, and verifiable while guiding them toward a healthy financial habits. Let me help you guys out to show you how to spot a scam credit repair. Repairing your credit can be an uphill battle. You're looking at months of hard work, negotiating with creditors, reworking your budget, and identifying the factors that are making your credit score lag. In short, it's a hassle and it takes a lot of time. This is not an overnight process. There is no shortcuts. Those two aspects are what make credit repair scams so successful. They know you're looking for a quick way out, and they're offering it to you on a silver platter. Unfortunately, when they're done with you, not only will your credit score be just as low as when you started, but you'll also be out of hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars, and may even be facing criminal charges following some of these methods that they're going to instruct you to do. There are legitimate credit repair companies, but without educating yourself, finding them instead of scammers who want your money, it can be tricky. Here are the most common warning signs of a credit repair scam. Number one, demands upfront money. Know your rights. Under the Federal Credit Repair Organization Act, credit repair companies are forbidden to request or receive payment until they have completed the service they promised. If a company is demanding upfront payment before doing anything, this is surely a scam. Number two, makes big promises to lure you into their trap. Many scammers make wild promises about your credit score, about these credit glitches, about these 1 week get you right quick credit glitch and all this quick get fixed quick. Don't fall for it. They may assure you that they can remove negative items from your credit report, even if that information is accurate and current. Don't believe them. No one can do this. They might also promise to boost your score a huge amount in just a few weeks or less. This too is absolute BS. You will never see an improvement on your score until at least 30 days has passed since you've taken some type of action. In some cases, it could be up to 45. But there's a couple little moves Credit Mix knows, some legal ways we've learned along the way. Carrying on. Number three, promise to help you create a new credit identity. This red flag should alert you to one of the most devastating credit repair scams possible. In these scams, companies promise to create a new credit identity for you in exchange for free. After you cough up the money, the company will provide you with a 9-digit number that is similar to a social security number. They may refer to this number as a CPN, a credit profile number, or a credit privacy number. Alternatively, they may direct you to apply for an EIN, an employment identification number from the IRS. Once you have your new number, the company will instruct you to use this form of ID to start applying and building credit. They assure you that the process is legal. In reality, though, it is not. And you just been scammed. These companies are actually selling you stolen SSNs, often one belonging to a child, and sometimes even a dead person. They walk away with the money you paid them while you are stuck in a far deeper hole than when you first contacted them. It is a federal crime to misrepresent your social security number, to obtain an EIN from the IRS under false pretenses, and to lie on a credit application. It is a crime. Falling for a credit identity scam could mean facing fines and even prison time. If you come across a credit repair company offering you a new identity, run the other way and don't look back, and report them to the authorities. Number 4, tells you not to contact the credit reporting agencies. These are signs of a credit repair company that are scammers. They tell you not to contact reporting agencies. Every U.S. citizen has the right to a complimentary report from the 3 major credit reporting agencies every year. If a company advises you not to contact these agencies directly, they will probably charge you for obtaining the report on their own. In other words, they're going to be charging you for free services. They're going to be charging you for things that are done for free. That's how they capitalize off on what you don't know. Number 5, tells you to dispute accurate information on your credit report. If you sign up with a credit repair company and you tell them this is their debt, and they tell you sometimes, don't worry about it, we're gonna get it up off of there. They telling you dispute accurate debt. That's not good business. Disputing accurate information on your credit report is dishonest and illegal, meaning it is a crime. Number 6 is evasive about your legal rights in their services. So if you run into a credit repair company, they're evasive about your legal rights. The Credit Repair Organization Act made it illegal for credit repair companies to lie about your legal rights and about their services. The law is enforced by the FTC. To comply with this law, credit repair companies are required to 1. Explain your legal right